What's going on, YouTube? Today I have another quick tutorial for you guys. As you can tell from my previous videos, if you have a shattered home button and it's no longer working, here's the shattered home button. This is the original one, Apple logo and everything. This was installed on this device. Once it's no longer working, your phone's gonna go and start boot looping. It eventually get to the menu if you know how to get it there, but this will take 30 minutes, an hour, but it's never ending. But this is what I have installed now. I have the new button installed like normal, no Bluetooth necessary. I have the supplier blocked out. It's got the logo and whatnot. Don't want to get copyrighted for that. So as you can see, this is where the home button, I haven't had the screws installed. If you don't know the process, there's other videos out there regarding this guest tutorial breakdown. You know, they'll show you how to get to this part. All you have to do is pretty much, once you get here, just remove the shield holding the home button in place, which is 4 screws, and just once it's installed, all you have to do is just connect it from there and you should be good to go. Like I said previously, this phone, once it turns on, it takes forever to get to the menu. This is a YF universal home button. This is not just for cosmetic looks, because there's home buttons out there that even if installed and connected properly, it's not going to work. It's just there for the looks. As you can see, phone turns on normally with the right time, and all you got to do is, like I said, just press it. There you go. And it works like normal. There's no Bluetooth required. No, I guess pairing, nothing whatsoever. All you have to do is just install it like the original one, and the phone should work. The downside is you're not gonna get the Touch ID to work. Touch ID is no longer an option once you change it. If you decide to take this to Apple, they can get it up and working once they pretty much reinstall or reconfigure the motherboard to the new button. But if you decide to use this, the cheaper alternative, then yeah, it's definitely gonna work. Vibrates, works like normal, but Touch ID will no longer work. So I'm just informing you guys out there that there are buttons now for this fix. If not, you're gonna be stuck with the boot loop, and from there it's just gonna keep boot looping for 30 minutes, sometimes shorter, sometimes longer. I've had it to where it was doing it constantly for about an hour up until I got it to function properly. And this replacement button, it's the same. The only difference is you can see 4 dots on there, and this is to compare it to the original. There's no, I guess, logo on there, I guess just to avoid copyright issues. And again, all you have to do is just install it. Once you have the screws in with the metal plate, it should sit tight. It should sit properly without moving around. As right now, I just have it as just for show and tell. If you found this video helpful, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos, and thanks for watching.